Tech Wars kicks off with our remote underwater competition that's held at the Roden Auditorium, the pool. So we had 3 campuses competing, go through an obstacle course. We had them timed, and we selected the winners. Yesterday, we had our digital design and our music mix competitions. Students get together and create designs and they create a piece of music. They submit, and then those are judged as well. Also, on our final day, we have our field events. We have Soapbox, we have BattleBots, we have Rocketry, and our drone racing. Until those competitions wrapped up, we handed out the awards, and that was another Tech Wars 24. So what Tech Wars does is it gives students with maybe environments for design and creative thinking and engineering, networking, team building. It gives them options to do that. And so they get together in teams, they're able to share ideas, and with that helps them become a well-rounded student. This is a great event from McAllen ISD, a great way for students to do something kind of outside the regular school day. Sponsors will get the teams together, they'll practice, and all they have to do is sign up with their campus. All students have to do to sign up is find the sponsor that's there on their campus, sign up, they'll get to learn skills like engineering, teamwork, and a few other skills while they're competing in Tech Wars.